Hey there, ready to test your knowledge? Let's test your knowledge on 60 actual Illinois real estate exam questions 2026 fully explained. Question 1. Joan sells her house to her brother Mike on a handshake. This contract is A. Valid only in certain states. B. Illegal. C. Valid because they are related. D. Unenforceable. The correct answer is unenforceable. Unenforceable. In order of a contract of sale to be valid, there must be signatures from both parties. Question 2. A transaction broker A provides limited representation to A. Buyer and seller. B. Has fiduciary duties. C. Has a principal relationship. D. Is a single agent. The correct answer is buyer and seller. Provides limited representation to a buyer and seller. A transaction broker provides limited representation and does not have fiduciary duties to a seller or buyer. Question 3. When inspecting a residence in a hillside subdivision, the salesperson observes cracks in the foundation and notices the doors and windows do not close properly. As a matter of best practice, the salesperson references their observations in the Transfer Disclosure Statement (TDS) and recommends that which of the following be ordered. A. Home warranty policy. B. A special studies report. C. The soil engineer's inspection. D. A termite clearance. The correct answer is a soil engineer's inspection. A soil engineer's inspection. Here's an example of arriving at the correct answer by eliminating the wrong answers. Though the other answer selections moderately relate to a property, the existence of cracks in a hillside subdivision indicates there may be a problem with the soil under the property, which is best diagnosed by a soil. Question 4. Broker Bianca wants to change from a single agent relationship to a transaction broker. A. She must get written permission from her principal. B. She may not do so. C. She must ask her broker. D. She must seek an attorney. The correct answer is she must get written permission from her principal. She must get written permission from her principal. If Bianca wants to change representation from a single agent to a transaction broker, she must get written permission from her employing principal, buyer or seller. Question 5. Designated sales associates can be assigned in a non-residential transaction if A. FRC appoints them. B. The broker signs off on it. C. The buyer and seller each have assets of $1 million or more. D. The no broker relationship disclosure is signed. The correct answer is the buyer and seller each have assets of $1 million or more. The buyer and seller each have assets of $1 million or more in a non-residential transaction where the buyer and seller each have over $1 million in assets. An employing broker can assign a designated sales associate for a buyer and one for a seller. Question 6. Which is a broker not required to have visible on their office sign? A. Trade name. B. Licensed real estate broker. C. Broker name. D. Address. The correct answer is trade name. Address brokers are required to have their trade name, the words licensed real estate broker, and their full name on their office sign.